The golden era of vlogging didn't start with a camera. It started with a problem. For years, creators have been forced to choose between two extremes: a smartphone that overheats and lacks depth, or a massive cinema rig that requires a workout routine just to carry. But today, the middle ground has finally been conquered. If you've been waiting for the one device that bridges the gap between amateur hobbyist and professional filmmaker without breaking your bank account or your back, your wait is officially over. Welcome to the era of the Nikon Z30 II. Now, before you say, "It's just another crop sensor camera," stop. You need to look closer. Because what Nikon has tucked inside the sleek, EVF-less body isn't just an incremental update. It is a calculated strike against Sony's ZV series and Canon's R-line. We are talking about a total overhaul of the autofocus system, a sensor that defies low-light physics, and a thermal management system that makes the overheating warnings of the past feel like a bad dream. If you are a creator in the USA looking to dominate YouTube, TikTok, or high-end client work in 2026, the Z30 II isn't just an option. It might be the only logical choice. Let's talk about the first thing you'll notice when you pick this up: the disappearance of the old Nikon lag. The Z30 II is powered by the XP7 processor, the same DNA found in the flagship Z9. This is like putting a Ferrari engine inside a Mini Cooper. The moment you hit that record button, the camera doesn't just start filming, it starts analyzing. With 3D tracking that locks onto eyes, skin, and even fast-moving vehicles with terrifying precision, you can finally stop focus checking your screen and actually look at your audience. In the US market, where production value is the difference between 100 views and a million, having a camera that acts as its own focus puller is a literal superpower. But why the Z30 II? Why now? Because the world of content has changed. We are no longer in the blurry background phase. We are in the storytelling phase. Nikon realized that vlogging isn't just about the person in front of the lens. It's about the environment. The new 26-megapixel BSI CMOS sensor inside the Z30 II has been tuned for what Nikon calls natural skin response. No more weird plastic-looking faces or oversaturated oranges. You get the legendary Nikon color science, the kind of colors that make your footage look like a Hollywood B-roll straight out of the box. For those of you who hate color grading for 6 hours after a shoot, this camera is your new best friend. Now let's address the elephant in the room: the lack of an electronic viewfinder. To some, it's a deal breaker. To the modern creator, it's a liberation. By removing the EVF, Nikon has created a profile so slim it fits into a jacket pocket. But they didn't just take something away. They added something much more valuable. The Z30 II features a massively upgraded 3.2-inch vari-angle touchscreen that is twice as bright as the previous generation. Even under the harsh midday sun of the California desert or the bright lights of a New York studio, you can see exactly what you're shooting. It's a dedicated vlogging monitor built into the body. Let's dive into the secret sauce: the video specs that nobody expected. For the first time in a camera at this price point, Nikon is offering 4K 60 frames per second with uncropped